Welcome back. We are now going to work on collaborating in real time inside of Google Docs. Now, if there is more than one person involved in working in a document, and you can see that in this case where there is someone else, and you can see that where their icon is actually showing, we can actually open a chat with that individual in real time. And we can do that by going right next to their icon and opening a chat. We can click Show Chat. And what we can do is we can actually write in a message to that individual and have a joint chat. We can write in here as we are working. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to click enter, and that goes into the chat. Inside of the Google Doc of the person who is actually working with you, they'll get a message notification saying that there is a chat, and they can actually go and open up the chat with the notification button. And you'll notice that chat opens up on their Google Doc, and they can actually go in and type a message right back. Now, another way to collaborate in real time is to use the Uber Conference app. And to do that, what you're going to do is click Add-ons. You're going to click Get Add-ons. And then when you get to this screen, you're going to write in Uber Conference. And when you get the app, all you'll need to do is to click this plus button. You'll need to sign in. And then you'll need to give Uber Conference some permissions, and then you're going to click Allow. Once you've done that, you can actually go to the add-on section and you can open up the Uber Conference sidebar. Now that we have the sidebar open, you're going to notice that when we hover over Uber Conference, it's going to pull up a button that says lock. What we can do is we can actually lock this from additional participants. So what we're going to do in order to start the conference is we're going to go to this black button here at the bottom. That's going to give us a call-in number as well as a PIN number. And when we call in that number, we are then going to be able to join a conference. Now we are now in the collaborators Google Doc, and you're going to notice the same PIN number and the same number to actually call into the conference. And what this does is this will actually give you and another person the opportunity to discuss changes with the document in real time and to do it dynamically using multimedia. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.